Hi there, Lisa here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first visit. So today, just a quick flick through my February 2022 bullet journal. I tend to stick to the same setups. You'll see this month there is something a little bit extra in this month as well. But what I tend to do is, you'll see from previous months, I have a little bit of a play around with colours. So just a title page, obviously announcing February, and I can't believe we're on February already. That's crazy. Month at a glance. So for me, obviously I've got my future log at the start of my journal, start of the year, and then I pull through from the future log into here each month, and also where I've got any outstanding from January will come in here as well, and it's my must-dos and my want-tos. And I've changed this up a little bit. So at the beginning of the year, I set 22 goals for 2022, and so this is the goals that I'm focusing on for this month, and then just another time, so just to keep things in on the radar, and make sure I don't forget those things longer term that I want to achieve. If you've watched any of my other videos, you'll know I do meal planning, so this is evening meal only. I pencil in all the meals, and then that helps me do my grocery list, and means I'm not spending money on things I don't need. Remember the day, one of my favourite pages every month, just a quick line for each day to capture something good, something bad, something relevant really. And I love going back and rereading these over the months. Again, a regular feature, my money pages. Yes, you can pick up your phone and see what your bank balance is, but what I tend to do is front load. So everything I know I need to pay for, I front load at the start of the month, and then that balance becomes my spending money effectively. New for this month is health tracker, a little bit like a habit tracker, but not quite the same because of the things that I want to track. And what I will run here, and I've just realised I've forgotten to put the dates above those. I shall do that once I finish the video. And I'll do a traffic light type setup, so red, amber, green. Obviously red being bad, green being good, and amber being somewhere in the middle. And then onto my weeklies. I've stuck to the same weekly setup because I really like this. I find this really effective. There's a couple of things I track each week, which go in here. Obviously my daily to-dos, and then for me, anything really in this box, but it tends to be something that I need to take over to the following week. And that's it really. Obviously, and again with one-page weeklies, being able to see 2 pages at the same time, I think for me is useful. And finishing on the 27th, Monday the 28th will be taken into my March setup. So short and sweet really. I hope there's maybe something here that catches your eye, gives you some inspiration. I'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below. And indeed subscribe if you want to. I upload only once a month for each month as I go. Generally similar things. And yeah, see you in a month's time with my March setup. Hope to see you soon. Take care.